Fuck the world, I'm a walking erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Today I will be bringing you guys this glueless wig video sponsored by UNice Hair. I am so in love with this. This literally took me less than 10 minutes to do. I did not have to curl this wig, pluck this wig, bleach this wig, or cut this wig. I literally just took it out of the pack, flattened her out, and this is how she's looking. I love this color. I didn't have to do much to achieve this look at all, and I am so relieved. Also, y'all, this wig is not glued down whatsoever. This is 100% glueless, so I didn't even have to glue her down. This is just her, you know what I'm saying? I love this color on this. It's giving like Beyonce low-key. Like, y'all let me know what y'all think. Is it giving Beyonce? Because I think it is, but I could just, you know, could just be being delusional. But I'm not gonna talk y'all head off. We're gonna hop right into this video. Make sure y'all check the description box for all of the details on this unit, as well as the coupon code. So do not forget to go down there. And also, y'all, make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We're this close to 400K, so I really need y'all to bang that subscribe button. But let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. All right, so y'all, this is the unit. I'm about to put her on. As you guys can see, she is pre-curled. The lace look like it's already pre-cut, of course. There's no extra lace on here. And it appears to be slightly pre-plucked, and the knots are not black, which means that they are pre-bleached as well. So I'm just about to put her on and see where we are, and then I'll see how I need to fix her up and everything. But this should be pretty easy and quick. So if you don't know, glueless wigs always have this elastic band in the back. That's what keeps it snug to your head. So make sure before you put the unit on that you adjust this. And so once you put it on, it won't go anywhere. This is gonna make it super snug and not move. So I'm just about to pop her on and see what we're working with. Okay, so this is what she's looking like. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think that this unit, the way that it's cut out in the front, is for my head shape, because it's really like making my forehead pop right now. So what I'll probably end up doing is just styling my hair so that you won't see how straight across it looks on my head. But other than that, y'all see the wig already is curled and everything. So pretty much all I gotta do is fix the part, flatten it out, and probably cut a little bit of layers in the front, but I might not even do that. As you guys can see, the lace already looks pretty good. However, it is a little bit light in some areas. So I'm gonna take a little bit of powder and I'm gonna put this over the lace. All right, so now that I have that lace blended in, I'm gonna go ahead and get my middle part going. I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of hairspray, and then I'm gonna take my hot comb and flatten it out. Okay, so now that I have the wig flattened out, I'm just gonna go ahead and see what these curls are talking about. I'm gonna lightly comb through them and see if they're uniform or if I need to curl a little bit more. Okay. Y'all, what I need to do to this wig? Nothing. I'm just gonna put a little bit of what do you call this, serum on the hair, just to give it a little bit of shine. But I don't even think I'm gonna curl this wig because it's already curled exactly the way that I would curl it. Like, I think it look good just like this. I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup down the part, and then I guess we'll be done. That's crazy. I'm gonna spray a little bit of brown just down the parts, just so it can be a little bit more defined. All right, so I think that's all that I'm gonna end up doing to this unit, y'all. That was faster than I thought it was gonna be. I didn't even have to plug up my curlers or anything. This is crazy. As y'all can see, the curls are in here. They're not going nowhere. The lace was pre-cut, it was pre-bleached and pre-plucked, as well as this unit being 100% glueless. I don't know what else I can say about this wig. Like, I have not put any glue on it whatsoever. I barely put product on it. It took me less than 10 minutes to do. Obviously, the unit is speaking for itself. Of course, all of the links on this wig will be listed down below, as well as a coupon code, so do not forget to go down there. But y'all, that might just be the end of this video.